look how we can use data validation in Google Forms to ensure or force the people playing your game to have to get the right answer when they input it in a Google form. And it's another way to automate the game. It's really easy to do. So I'm in a Google form, I'm in one of my questions, and I'm in a short answer question. So a short answer basically just gives a shorter line for the people playing your game to put in their answer. So for most games, it's going to be a one word or a one number answer, or maybe even a short phrase. So that's why I like using the short answer. So I'm going to come to these three dots, which are the settings for that question, and I can see here's data validation. When I click that, Google Forms is asking me, okay, what does the answer need to be before I let the respondent go on? So the answer could be a number, or it could be a text or an expression. When you're dealing with numbers, you can have a range. It can be greater than, less than. It has to be exactly this. It can't be that. All sorts of options. We're going to look at text for this, and we're going to look at that it contains, not that it doesn't contain, but there's all sorts of options. You can force it where someone has to put in a URL, or maybe they have to put in an email address. But for now, we're just going to contains, and this is maybe our secret answer or the code or something to the clue that they're working on. So I'm going to put in here breakout. So the respondents of this form have to put in breakout to get this question right. And I can put in a custom error text, so I can say nice try, but keep working, right? Something like that, something funny. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to the live version of my form. And when I go to that question, notice as I start typing, I get my error message that I typed in until I have the correct answer here. So until I type in breakout, that message is there. So it's a nice way to keep the automation of your game going, but also force the game players to get the correct answer.